1, 2, 3.
Ready for construction. May River High School held a groundbreaking ceremony celebrating the start of a major expansion to its career and technical education building.
It's going to be awesome. It's a great opportunity for the students. One of the things that we continuously harp on or focus on is opportunities. And at the end of the day, it's about creating opportunities and expanding those opportunities for students. And this building is going to give us the opportunity to do just that.
The 20,000 square foot addition will feature advanced automotive and welding labs equipped with the latest robotic technologies. There will also be 3 flexible classroom spaces designed to adapt as workforce demands evolve. And the project will provide 2 connecting classrooms and an outdoor marching area for the Air Force JROTC program. The state-of-the-art facility will create more opportunities for students to enroll in the programs, ensuring they graduate college and career ready.
I really enjoy welding. I like the creative aspect of it, and I really enjoy learning the different types of skills, and it gives me another opportunity in case I don't want to go into college as a next choice after high school, and it gives me an opportunity to get a job.
The new shop will open doors for even more students, especially since the program is in high demand.
We want students, again, to have opportunities, whether it be college or whether it be going directly into the career and the workforce. And so what these programs do is these students not only learn the skills and receive the necessary certifications that make them readily employable. So when they graduate and they leave May River High School, if they don't have aspirations to continue their education at the collegiate level, they can walk into a job interview and produce a certification that says that they've earned the necessary skills to be employed on that job.
This project is being funded by the 2023 School Board Referendum. At May River High School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.